Welcome back to part 3 of this series, Windows 10 Tips and Tricks. We'll talk about the Control Panel and the Task Manager. The Control Panel is a component of Microsoft Windows that provides the ability to view and change system settings. It consists of a set of applets that include adding or removing hardware and software, controlling user accounts, changing accessibility options, and accessing network settings. I want to demonstrate 3 ways of accessing the Control Panel. The first one, open the Run command box and type Control. The second method, press the Start button and type Control and hit Enter. The third method, open Control Panel with Task Manager. You click File, Run New Task and type Control and press Enter to open the Control Panel window. Now in the Control Panel, we have to go to Advanced System Settings. So we click on System and Security, System, then Advanced System Settings, and then you get into System Properties and Settings. You can also reach the same page by pressing the Windows key and the E key, or you can right-click on this PC and click on Properties. Follow the same procedure, which is Advanced System Settings, System Properties, and Settings. Now here we want to reduce the visual effects and animation. Windows 10 offers some visual effects, animations, and features, and these can be disabled to improve its performance. Now here you can choose whichever you find best. Here are the ones that suits my needs. The more software you install on your computer, the longer it may seem to take to start up Windows. Many programs add themselves to the list of programs that would start when you boot your computer, and that list can get long. This stops all unwanted background application clogging and helps with the operating system boot time. We move into the next part of our video, which is defragmentation of your hard drive and File Explorer. With usage, data that was once sequentially ordered on a drive can become split across different blocks. This is called fragmentation. And as this happens, the drive heads need to access the data from 2 or more, sometimes many more, different sections of the platter, drastically decreasing performance. Defragmentation reorders the blocks of data sequentially and attempts to restore your hard drive's original performance. Windows 10 includes a built-in tool to defragment all fragmented files and help your PC stay at top speeds. Over the years, improvements have been made to the Windows Drive Optimization tool. This is useful if we have the OS installed on our standard hard drive, which is a spinning disk. In other videos, I will be discussing in depth about solid state and standard hard drives. Now the File Explorer. Each file has a file extension that tells Windows what type of file it is. Here we gotta enable file extensions. Setting Windows to show file extensions is helpful for security. For example, the .exe file extension is one of many file extensions that Windows runs as a program. If you can't see what a file's extension is, it's hard to tell whether it's a program or a saved document or a media file at a glance. Deleting temporary files. Windows has an inbuilt system called Disk Cleanup. Let me tell you what it exactly does. Disk Cleanup is a computer maintenance utility that is included in the Microsoft Windows operating system, and it is designed to free up space on the hard drive. The cleanup process involves searching and analyzing the hard drive for files that are no longer needed, removing unnecessary files, and improve the performance of your hard drive and computer. Press the Windows key and the letter R and then type in prefetch. If you're asked for administrator rights, click on yes or allow. Here you will find the programs that store temporary information and shift delete them. Select all and shift delete them. In my honest opinion, disk cleanup is far more effective for all the above mentioned steps. So you have 2 options. You can either go on to the drive that you want to run disk cleanup, or type clean mgr in the run command. Once disk cleanup opens, select the appropriate drive and click OK. In the next window that opens, check each of the boxes that you want to clean up To the right of each item is the disk drive space each of the items are taking up on the hard drive. I highly recommend that you do not check the option to compress old files. This option causes more issues than the small amount of space it recovers. Running this cleanup at least once a month is an excellent maintenance task and frequency. If you have any useful tips to optimize Windows or any Windows 10 tips and tricks, please leave a comment below. And that was it, guys. Leave a like and hit that subscribe button. Until then, peace.